is the Ludovico Micro Office. With 2 built-in drawers and a filing cabinet, there is plenty of space for organization. It even has a fully hidden chair. Open up the desk and take out your laptop from the hidden compartment, and you are ready to get things done. The cabinet is on wheels and fully mobile. You can easily move it to another room for a change of scenery or to find a quiet workspace. And it all compacts down into a very small cabinet. For more information on the Ludovico office, visit expandfurniture.com.
The storage cabinet bed from Expand Furniture. 100% designed and manufactured in North America, with attention to details like smooth mechanisms and a built-in safety stop. This cabinet quickly transforms into a bed. Built to last with real Canadian wood, it will support up to 500 pounds. It also includes a very comfortable gel memory foam mattress. The cabinet bed is an easy hidden bed solution with no mounting required. This is completely freestanding and simple to set up. Visit expandfurniture.com for more information.
This is the Flex Folding Chair available at Expand Furniture. It is a compact, lightweight, envelope-style chair that unfolds into a comfortable lounge chair. It has a 97% reduction in space, which means you can pack a lot of these into a car, storage, and use it for any kind of event from a wedding to even camping, as it's waterproof, durable, and easy to take away. It also comes available in multiple colors, from pebble gray to orange red or classic white. For more information,